Let me show you how you can make this split text effect in Canva. It's pretty simple to do and it's using only the free version of Canva, so you can follow along. Go ahead and create a new page. Then we're going to add a background by going to Elements, under Lines and Shape, select the square. You're going to drag it to fill the entire canvas. You can make it any color you'd like, so I'm going to just make it this blue here. Then you want to add your text. So I'm adding a heading and I'm going to be adding the word beauty. But for this effect, you want to split the word in two. So I'm going to have BEA first. I'm going to separate the letters a bit. Then I'm going to duplicate this and finish the word UTY. Perfect. So now we have BEAUTY like that. I want to change the color to white to make it look a bit better on this background. And then we need something to actually split the word in two. So under Elements, Lines and Shape, we're going to add a line. We're going to make the thickness to about, let's say 13, yeah. And we're going to change the color to a darker version of the background. So just drag the color down a bit to wherever you want, like that. Perfect. So now position the line diagonally like this, and then move your text until the line cuts off a part of it. So it's cutting off a part of the A, and now I want it to also cut off a part of the U. Let's zoom in a bit so we can see better. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to hide the part of the A that is being cut off and the part of the U that is being cut off. So to do this, we need to go back to Elements, under Lines and Shape. We're adding another square. Size it properly like this, because we only need enough of it to cover that part of the A. So we can position it like that, make sure it is diagonal as well, and just like that to cover the A. Perfect. Now the next thing we need to do is to change the color of this square to match the color of the background. So with the square selected, go up to color, then select the color of the background. Now the square is covering off a part of the line that is splitting the word, so you need to send it behind the line but on top of the text. So select the square, then right click, arrange, send backward. Look how perfect that looks. Now the next thing we need to do is to duplicate the square and use it to cover off a part of the U. Same situation, is on top of the line, so select the square, right click, arrange, send backward. And you're done. That is how you can do the split text effect in Canva.